Stacy Hester here. I'm at my latest listing here at 1004 Davis Street in Ardmore, Oklahoma. I'm really excited to be sharing this listing with you guys. It is going to be an investor special. It will not pass for government-backed financing. I'll show you why here in just a minute. But this is a great find. So stay tuned here as I tour 1004 Davis Street here in Ardmore, Oklahoma. I love these doors with the diamond window. I think it's salvageable, just needs to be sanded down. But here we are with the front door coped closet. So plenty of space in there. Standing in the living room space here / dining room space, hardwood floors throughout this and the 2 bedrooms, and coming up to this kitchen, which is so adorable. It's just a little bit of sunshine here. And seriously, the cabinetry I think is original to the home, but it was in immaculate condition. I was truly surprised. So not much would ever need to be done there unless you want to do a paint change. Appliances do come with this house with that electric range, microwave, and refrigerator, and then a little eating nook here in the corner with some extra storage. Love these fixtures. How awesome. A little bit of hall storage here coming up on bedroom number 1. Again, the hardwood floors were just in such great conditions, no soft spots. All of the windows have been upgraded. They're all vinyl windows. And look at that closet door. I mean, the grain in that door is just so pretty to me. Plus, in this bedroom, you still had 2 of the crystal doorknobs. Your closet space, nice and tall. A little bit of cracking here. This home will not qualify for a government-backed loan. But again, another one of those doorknobs. And the doors were just gorgeous to me. Little phone nook. And then the air return with your air filter right here in the hall. So we're coming up here on the hot water heater. This is a gas hot water heater. We'll have a little bit of a zoom here so you can check out the details to find out the exact year. They weren't sure, but most of the mechanicals here have been updated. Bedroom number 2, again, looking at that beautiful hardwood floor. And again, like I said, upgraded windows throughout the entire home. And a little bit of a closet there for you. The bathroom was a complete reno, and you do have new floor in the bathroom also. I believe it was a wood vinyl look. Could be a laminate. But brand new vanity, brand new lighting, mirror, toilet, and this was an insert that was in pristine shape. No staining, no cracking. The thing seemed like it was new. Truly great condition for it. A little throwback heater in there to boot. But let's go check out that bonus room. Like I said, this would be an easy conversion into a 3rd bedroom, but there's the crack. This is the reason why it won't qualify for any kind of a government-backed loan. This back slab has a pretty massive crack in it. But I think it would still qualify for conventional loan, of course, depending on the type of loan that you're getting. There are 2 closets in here, and then again, all of the upgraded windows. And I think this is an original door also that could easily be refinished. There's the half bath, which could be an ensuite. Does come with a washer and dryer in here. And then again, back here, we do have a little bit more cracking going on. Brand new toilet, upgraded window, and then a new vanity in here as well, along with a new mirror and light fixture. Let's check out those 2 closets. One would be, obviously, this one's a closed closet, would be great for storage. Good size. This second closet, if you're not wanting to convert this would make a great pantry for the kitchen. And on this side, you've got a little bit of taller storage for any tall items you need to throw in here. I'd say a vacuum, but there's no carpet. All right, so there's one last treat in here. Ardmore is famous for their garage conversions, but we still have a single car garage in this house. Thank you, thank you. Also in here is an updated breaker box with updated electrical. The HVAC unit was also updated too, so a lot of the big ticket items have already been taken care of in this home, making it, again, a great find. Curious what the neighborhood looks like? Well, let's check out the drone footage and see what's going on in the neighborhood. That's it, you guys. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of 1004 Davis Street here in Ardmore, Oklahoma. All the details for this listing are going to be in my description below. Be sure to check that out, as well as all of my contact information. I hope you enjoyed this just as much as I did. Until the next time, bye.